What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to a little bit of anything. I don't know if you guys remember, but a long time ago I made a video about a conversion kit for a high point. Well, that was on my old channel. YouTube has suspended me several times without explanation, and I also heard they suspended Brownells. But I don't know if you guys remember that they were supposed to release it. There were some issues, and then you guys were just going crazy that it was a catfish, whatever that means, that it was never going to be released. Well, guess what? Andy from Hightower Armory just sent me a huge gift. And first off, thank you, Andy, so much for doing this. I honestly appreciate it, but I just want you guys to see this. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Made in the US of A. I'm gonna do a quick unboxing. Hopefully I'll find a dry spot on my backyard. It's been raining for a couple of days. Well, nah, not a couple of days, but all night last night was raining like hell. So let's do a quick unboxing. Let's see what's up. All right. Oh man, I don't even know. Okay. All right. Let's see. All right. Oh my God, that is so beautiful, man. Holy crap. Oh my God, this is freaking awesome. Oh my God. Look at that. Oh my God, this is beautiful. Oh, Andy, brother, you are the best. And also the quality, holy shit, man, it was worth the wait. I'm gonna give you guys a quick close-up, but before I do, I just want to make sure that I inspect it, make sure about the quality. Oh my goodness, man, this is so fucking beautiful. Oh my God, this is, oh my goodness, this is, oh, I don't even know what to say. This is awesome. And I'm not saying this because, I've been in contact with Andy since the beginning. I'm honestly looking at it, and the quality is actually amazing. And it looks like the Picatinny Realm top is actually metal, as opposed to the one on the High Point carbine. It looks, yeah, and it looks like you can also remove, well, I'm pretty sure you have to remove this in order to get the whole whatever inside. Oh my God, this is, I feel like a little kid, man. Oh my God, this is so fucking awesome. Oh, I apologize. I usually don't curse that much, but I'm actually super excited because I remember when I was talking about this for the first time, and it was like a holy shoot, man. Let me give you guys a closer look. Actually, let's go back inside the box. There is a manual, Hightower Armory MBS 95. It has some assembly directions. Something that I noticed is that the pictures look pretty good. Hopefully they are going to be easy to follow. I'm not too good at following directions or reading manual, but oh man, let me see what's inside the box. Okay. Okay, here's this. I don't know what's that. I don't know what's that. I'm assuming this is a charging handle. I don't know what's this, and it has a bunch of other stuff over here. I don't know what they are, but look at it, man. Let me grab the phone. And luck. Oh man, this is so freaking beautiful. Maybe because I never had an FDE weapon in my life. Well, I do have one, but and the finish, it looks so nice as well. I mean, I never honestly have bought any kit for a weapon, so I don't know what to look for. But this being the first one, and I have to say, Andy actually sent me this one. So again, I could say that this video is being sponsored by Hightower Armory. Again, Andy, brother, you are the freaking best, man. Seriously, it looks so nice. It looks so well done. Oh, man. Oh my God, Andy, you're the best, man. All right, YouTube, that is about it for now. I am so freaking excited, man. This is, holy crap, Andy, you the best, man. Seriously. What can I say? My initial impression is it is well built. Okay, I have seen many, I would say, budget weapons and like attachment for the Springfield SDS or the for Glocks, that you can see all the cut out and all of the excess material left on this one. I cannot see any of that. The initial quality, at least for my impression, is holy crap. This is honestly it just looks amazing. It just looks amazing. Holy crap. With that being said, thank you for stopping by. I'm gonna make another video on how to disassemble the kit, as well as how to disassemble the hardpoint carbine. I know that's gonna be a mess because I never had taken mine apart, and I seen some people saying that it can be quite frustrating and difficult. Again, with that being said, Andy, you're the best. You guys follow Hightower Armory. You guys has been asking for this for a really long time. You guys deserve to see this. You guys need to see this in person, and you need to touch it because it's just amazing. The only problem is, if you like the design of your high-port carbine, you may want to buy another one. That's exactly what I'm going to do, because I honestly like the current design of the carbine. So I'm definitely going to buy another one just to keep the original design. Well, once again, thank you to Andy from Hightower Armory. Go support his company. Go support his mission. He's definitely trying to do something new for a carbine that has received a lot of negative and trash talk all around the internet. Everybody knows that it is a very reliable, very good rifle, and people just talk about how ugly it is. Well, to those people I say, this is a freaking beauty, man. Peace.